In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide photos on iOS 16 and then how to lock hidden album with passcode or Face ID. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Photos application and then open up some album. I'll tap on Recents, and from here, let's say I want to hide that photo. So first I can tap on that and then hit at these three dots icon and tap at hide. Then I can tap on hide photo to hide it, so I actually moved that photo to my hidden photos album. I can go back to albums and then scroll down where I can find hidden album. Now, as you can see, here I got this lock icon. That means that this album is locked. I can open it up using my passcode or Face ID, so I can just tap on that, then use Face ID, and now from here I can see all my hidden photos. If you want to lock your hidden album, all you have to do is open up Settings and then scroll down until you find Photos, and here scroll down for a bit, and there you have to enable that option. It calls Use Face ID. If this option is enabled, Face ID is required to view the hidden and recently deleted album. That's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.